Hello everyone, this is Namrata. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In today's video session, we will discuss another topic in Salesforce, which is system overview. Here is the agenda for today's session. We will understand what is Salesforce system overview, what and all are the various monitoring tools which are available in Salesforce, purpose of system overview page. Then we will log in into our Salesforce development org and I will walk you through the system overview page. So Salesforce provides a variety of ways by which you can keep a tab on activities in our organization. Like we have Lightning Usage app. So we have already done a video for this Lightning Usage app already. So you can visit our channel SFDC One Stop and you can go through this specific video wherein we have covered in detail why do we need this Lightning Usage app, what is the purpose of it, and various other topics were covered. So to give you a brief recap about this application, so this Lightning Usage app is mainly used to monitor various metrics like if you wanted to monitor active daily users, most visited pages, and also mainly used to track the adoption to the Lightning experience. Likewise, there are various other metrics which can be measured using this Lightning Usage app. Likewise, there are various other ways by which you can keep a tab on activities within our organization, like you have real-time event monitoring, you have something called as a setup audit trial, field history tracking, monitor debug logs, monitor schedule jobs, monitor background jobs, and we have system overview. So today we will mainly concentrate on the system overview page. So let's understand what is this system overview page. The system overview page shows the entire usage and the limits of your organization, and it also displays messages when your organization reaches 95% of your limit. So this system overview page shows many information like how many different workflow rules you have, how many Apex triggers you have, how many Apex classes, how many active flows are being used, how many active licenses are being used by your organization. If you are using the custom objects, how many custom objects we have, what all are the custom settings in place. If you have custom metadata, what is the count of those custom metadata. So this entire system overview page is divided into various sections like we have schema, we have API usage, we have business logic, we have user interface, most used licenses, and then we have portal routes. So all these sections display different informations about each of the features or components that are available in the Salesforce. I will walk you through in detail once we log in into our Salesforce DevOps. But before that, how can you access this Salesforce, how can you access the system overview? From the setup, you can navigate to quick find box, go to the quick find box, and then you can just enter the system overview. You will be able to you will be able to see what the system overview page. So now let us try to log in into our Salesforce system, Salesforce development org, and I will walk you through how to access and what and all of the different sections which are available and what does each section displays. So let's log in into a Salesforce DevOps. So I have already logged in into my Salesforce DevOps. So as it is mentioned in our slide deck, type in system overview. You can see that under the environments, you have system overview. So this system overview page, as I was mentioning, right? This page is divided into multiple sections. You have schema, you have API usage, then you have business logic, you have user interface, most used licenses, and portal routes. So it is segregated into different sections. Each of these sections has different informations in it. Here it will display list of custom objects and your custom settings. This will display total custom objects and total custom settings. That is, if they are active or inactive objects created by you, created by users, and installed from any of the managed packages. All of this being will be displayed here. So if you click on this help icon, it clearly states that it includes custom objects and custom settings installed from App Exchange Manage packages also. If you click on this one, this will display all your custom objects and custom setting except those from the App Exchange Manage package. So if you click on this 15, right, it will navigate to the Object Manager. Total custom objects and custom settings, what and all of the custom metadata we have. You see, these are the two metadatas we have. So it clearly tells me that 3 includes one custom metadata from the package, and it gives me the percentage utilization as well. Here it is also giving me the maximum limit. Custom metadata type usage, size of the custom metadata types is an approximation of total character used. So you see here, nothing is being used here, so it is giving me 0. What is the data storage? So here you see, if you had a chance to visit my session related to Salesforce Optimizer, in the Salesforce Optimizer session also we were talking about the data storage limit, right? Wherein this you can able to find out if your org has reached the data storage limit or not. So even using the system overview page also, you will be able to find out the same thing, and it gives us clear identification that this requires an immediate attention. So here it says the limit is 5 MB. However, I've already used 5.5. So I'm already 109% of it. In order to fix it or resolve this specific issue, it is asking us to contact the contact to obtain the additional storage. Likewise, if you go to the API usage, what is this API request? So it gives us the usage information of API request in the last 24 hours. Now let's see what and all has the business logic, how many active workflow rules we have, Apex triggers we have, Apex classes we have, code being used. So if you click on this, it will take me to the workflow rules. And if I click on Apex triggers, it will take me to the Apex triggers. User interface, it is giving me how many custom applications we used. Maximum 10. Active sites, active flows, custom tabs, Visual Force pages being used. Most used licenses is Salesforce. When I click on this Salesforce, right, what it is doing, it is navigating me to the company information. And then if you see here, under the Salesforce licenses, total licenses are 2, used 2, and remaining is 0. That is the reason it is giving us red identification and providing us information or message saying that you have already used 100%, 2 out of 2. Contact Salesforce to obtain additional user licenses. Community licenses, I have 5. I have used 2. Same is the case with partner. And portal rules, I haven't used this portal rules. So this is how the system overview page looks like, and it gives the informations about the key usage data for your organization. Now here you see you have something, you have this button called as configure message. So what does it do? When you click on it, this configure message, these messages appear when your organization approaches its usage limits. You can check any of these checkboxes so that whenever you log in into your Salesforce, right, and if your organization is reaching its usage limit, it will display the message in the home page. So I have selected all of these: user interface, portal rules, API usage, most used licenses, and the business logic. I have selected all of these. So whenever it reaches the limit, it will give me the message when I'm in my home page. So that's what we have for today's session. Until we come up with our next video session, please do take care of yourself. Signing off, yours, Amrita Kadiyala. Bye-bye.